up, I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My hoe got talent, right? Whole squad ran, do that shit, yikes.
Hey guys, this is Fuzzbuzz, and you're buzzing with the fuzz. Today, I thought I'd do a review on my Yamaha V-Star 650 Dragstar. Just a quick review. Thought I'd give some information about the bike, a bit of a look around, a bit of a test ride as well. This is what it looks like. It's a 650cc. This one's a 2002 model. V-Star 650 Dragstar. And I've had it for a really short while now, not too long. And I'm absolutely loving it. It came as it is, so no real super mods done by me. Has front disc brakes. It has back drum brakes. Really simple. Not a lot of gadgets or anything like that. Twin cylinder. Carbureted. I think it has like 40 or 45 horsepower. This is what it looks like. Let's start her up, see if she starts up. So let's go for the test ride now and see how she goes on the road. What she sounds like. I had to get some silencers put on the exhaust as it was too loud. I copped a fine from the Turkish police. Okay, so you're on board with Fuzzbuzz, or the Buzzin' Fuzz, and we're going to take this baby for a little test ride, see how she handles, see how she goes, and hopefully you guys are informed about what this beast can do. So come along for the ride. First of all, when you sit in it, it's a really comfortable low seat, which makes life a lot easier and comfortable. And it's got some great torque down bottom end. Handles really nicely, and it's really easy bike to ride. It's got 5 gears. Really nice bike to ride. I think even the most amateur riders will be able to get onto this and have a go. No problems at all. I chose this road because it's a little bit quiet. We'll turn around and we'll go up the mountain, as it's a little mountain. Okay, here we go. We'll go through the gears. 1, this is 2. That's 3rd. We're in 4 now. As you can see, low end torque, grunt. Doesn't have a lot of high end speed, so it suits me down to not really a high end speed man, but as you can see, it goes through the gears really nicely, corners well. So there you go. This is Fuzzbuzz. Hopefully you enjoyed the ride. Hopefully you're a little bit more informed before you buy a bike like this. It's just a simple review of this little beast that I consider probably the best beginner cruiser bike out in the market. Yamaha Dragstar 650 Dragstar. Go get one. To everybody out there, wherever you may be, sitting on the balcony having a beer, or just lazing around on the couch, or even just kicking your dog.